The value and demand of a data science course. In today's digital era, data science has emerged as one of the most sought-after fields, revolutionizing industries across the globe. A data science course is designed to equip learners with the skills needed to analyze, interpret, and extract valuable insights from vast amounts of data. This multidisciplinary field combines statistics, machine learning, programming, and domain knowledge to help businesses make data-driven decisions. What is a data science course? A data science course typically covers a variety of topics, including programming, Python, R, SQL, mathematics and statistics, probability, linear algebra, machine learning and AI, supervised and unsupervised learning, big data technologies, Hadoop, Spark, data visualization, Tableau, Power BI, deep learning and neural networks. This course can be taken by fresh graduates, working professionals, and even entrepreneurs who want to leverage data science for business growth. High demand for data science. The demand for data scientists has skyrocketed in the last decade. Companies from various sectors, including healthcare, finance, retail, e-commerce, and technology, rely on data to optimize their operations. The rapid adoption of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning has further increased the need for skilled data professionals. According to reports, data science job openings have grown significantly, and there is still a shortage of qualified data scientists. Value of data science in the job market. A career in data science is not only lucrative, but also offers immense growth potential. Some of the top job roles in this field include data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer, AI specialist, business intelligence analyst. Salaries in this field are impressive, with entry-level data scientists earning competitive pay, while experienced professionals command six-figure salaries in many countries. The global demand ensures job security and career advancement opportunities. Conclusion. A data science course is a gateway to a future-proof career with high earning potential and job security. As businesses continue to rely on data-driven strategies, the importance of data science will only grow. Whether you are a student, a professional looking to upskill, or someone interested in AI and analytics, enrolling in a data science course can open countless opportunities for success.